How to unsync from Google Photos on Android. So let's get started. So if you want to unsync your Google Photos, so if you want to keep your photos only to your device, so you don't want to connect it with your Google Photos, then to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your Google Photos application, and after opening up your Google Photos just tap on the profile icon which is on the top right, and then select your email account. So just select the email account that you would like to unsync your photos from, and after selecting the account, now you have to tap on photo settings. And after tapping on photo settings, just tap on backup. And after tapping on backup, now what you have to do is, if your backup is turned on, just turn it off. And after turning it off, what will happen is it will not allow any photos to be saved in your Google account. And all the photos that you take from now on will be private only to your device, and it will not be uploaded in your Google account. So that's it guys, this is how to unsync from Google Photos on Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.